Hello, this is the Forex Swing King for October 9th, 2012 to October 10th, 2012 market analysis. First, we're taking a look at the USD CHF. Going to be looking at a short up in the area of .9437, major top that was created on September 30th, 2012. Also looking at this top that's just been broken that was created on 10/3/2012, right here at the .9397. Looking for a potential break through this current support, previous diagonal resistance. Looking at a break at this level, and I'm going to take a buy order down here at .9345 based on price action. If everything sets up appropriately, I'll be buying into that. Also .9322, I'll also be setting a buy level at. USD JPY, it's trying to break this resistance, this diagonal resistance that we're seeing here. If it breaks this level, we're going up to the 78.42, which I'll be looking to take a short. And if we can stay below this resistance, I'll be looking at 78.08 as a potential long. If it fails that level, looking at down here at 77.96 as a potential long area. Euro US dollar, we're still staying below this resistance, very similar to the USD JPY. I'll be looking at taking a short or a long down here, the bottom that was created on September 30th, 2012 at 1.2802. If we can break this diagonal resistance, I'll be taking a short up here at 1.2960 or up here at 1.2990. GBP USD, we can see that it's already broken through this diagonal resistance. Okay, so the previous day's bottom, I will not be taking a long off of this. I'll be actually taking a long off of 1.5958, which was the low created back here on September 10th, 2012. Okay, looking at taking a short position up here at 1.6216. If we can reach that level, that's going to be over a 200 pip gain. And if you've been watching the videos over the course of the last few days, you can tell that I've been doing really well with this system. Okay, we're taking a look at the diagonal resistance here at this level at the .98, looking at pushing through that level and taking a short off of the .9811, which would ultimately mean that it failed the ultimate breakout of the diagonal and turning around, going down to .9743 and then also .9734, looking at taking longs in this area. AUD USD, hoping to break this diagonal, and very similar to the last pair we looked at, going to be taking a short right here at 1.0246, and then the triple top that I've been talking about over the last couple of videos, 1.0270, looking at taking a short, taking a long down here at the major bottom at 1.0146. But if you remember from the last video, be careful, there is a major bottom out here as well to be able to look for. Okay, NZD USD, currently long on this position. Okay, up 20 pips. It's already broken through this diagonal resistance, hoping to at least ride it into this level, the .8215. If it breaks that level, looking to take it short at .8237, exit the long. If it breaks this level, stay in the long. I'll be taking it to 8264, which I'll be looking for a short, hopefully to ride this down into the bottom, .8149, and a potential break. Euro JPY. Okay, it's staying right below this diagonal resistance, as we can see. We're looking at taking a long down here at 99.78. Hopefully by that time the diagonal resistance steepens out a little bit more. We can break through, take it to the upside, 101.83, or take a short at the 101.84 if it can break through this level. And if it fails that level, looking at 102.79. GBP JPY, we can see it's already broken out of this diagonal resistance. However, it's not at a major support or resistance, so I'm not touching this pair until it gets to this major bottom created on September 13th, 2012, which is 124.46. Okay, also taking a short at the 125.81 and also looking at the 127.06. AUD JPY, we can see it's getting a nice breakout of this diagonal resistance, which there's a huge probability it's going to 80.29, Looking at taking a short there. However, I'm going to be cautious simply because these breakout traders are going to be looking to push this higher. So if it pushes higher, looking at taking a short at 80.92, and also looking for longs at 79.39, and also using this level as a take profit level for these two levels going short. If it breaks this level, taking it to the bottom. Euro JPY, we can see that this is basing outside of the diagonal resistance. Okay, looking at taking a long at 99.77 and a short at 101.85. I really like this short setup just based off of the formation here. It's a very sharp resistance, and I tend to prefer those types of resistances. Also, very similar to the the October 5th, 2012, 102.79, very sharp resistance. I really like taking shorts off of those levels. NZD JPY, we could see it tried to push through the support level. It's going up into the resistance level, hoping that it will bounce off of this level and come down to my buy level at 63.53, or if it breaks through, I'm looking at taking a short at 64.54. Alright, pound CHF, GBP CHF, we can see it broke this short-term top on October 8, 2012. We broke it in this last trading session. Most likely we're going to 1.5093, hoping to break this diagonal support, taking it down to 1.4943. Also looking for buys in this area. Also, potential buy is going to be at the 1.4975.